So if you have a situation like this where this riser is broken and you want it to look a bit more like this, then carry on watching and I'll show you just how easy it could be. We have a situation here where the actual part that holds the shower head is broken. It's supposed to have a screw-on cap there with a band around it which applies tension to the bar, and the plastic band around has broken off. So this has happened to me before and I've ended up buying the whole thing, the riser, the rail, everything, thinking that that was the only solution, but it's so not. I'm going to show you how to do it super quick, super cheaply. So this is what I purchased. I purchased it from Screwfix in the UK, but wherever you are in the world, your local DIY store or a major outlet should have something like this in stock. And this particular model is super useful because it has like a clamping system, so suitable for different size rails as well. So the next job is to take this off, and initially I was thinking about taking the whole riser rail thing off, but that just goes against what we're trying to do here. We're trying to do this super quickly, super easy. And it is just plastic. It's probably aged plastic, so it will be a little bit brittle, and it should just snap off. So all I did was got a pair of pliers, and I'm going to slowly just chip away and bend away the plastic so it breaks off. I'm not going to lie, it was a little bit awkward doing this with just one hand, so be careful, there might be some sharp bits on there, you don't want to be cutting yourself. So this is the actual unit in its packaging. This is the SWIRL riser rail slider. Comes with a 5-year guarantee, but at this price we don't really care. And as you can see there, it's a metallic looking thing made out of plastic again, and it's designed to just slide onto the existing rail, and it's adjustable. So on the left hand side you've got the screw-in cap, and then that will move the inside so it clamps onto whatever size rail you have. So now let's see about fitting this, and it should be just a clip-on thing. So we're just going to clip it onto the rail just from the top. I'm just going to give it a bit of a push from the bottom because I haven't put it on properly, as you can see, and then that's better. And then we're just going to tighten it up, and then the clamp inside is going to clamp onto that rail, and then that should be pretty strong. The bit on the right hand side you can twist to house the shower head. Just going to tighten that up just a little bit so it's nice and tight. And then last but not least, we just need to pop that shower head back into there, and then that is the job done. Here I'll just leave the details for the products that I used. Super easy, super quick, super cheap.